Welcome to Samaritan's Purse Disaster Relief Extranet Training. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use this QR reader. As you can see, it opens up. This is used for checking in volunteers. You can use it to check in day volunteers as well as overnight volunteers. So when people arrive on site, they're going to have this piece of paper, and as you can see, it has the confirmation code as well as the QR code. Now I'm going to give you just an example here. You square it up. My phone vibrated, so it's first you're going to check in using your Samaritan's Purse email and password. So now that I've logged on, as you can see, I'm taken to the home page, but I don't want the home page. I actually want to check people in. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to hit this camera button right here. That will bring up my QR code reader again. I'm going to scan this second one. The first one is in my history. So there, I've scanned that. And then I'm going to go back, hit the scan button again. I'm going to scan this one. Okay, so what we did is we just scanned them. That's all we did. We didn't actually check anyone in yet. So I'm going to hit this button here, this arrow pointing backwards. As you can see, I scanned some earlier, but these are the latest ones at the very bottom. So let's go ahead and create a folder for all of these new entries. So I'm going to hit the plus button. Today's date is the 30th of October, so I'll just do 10/30/13. Hit done. Okay, and you'll see that the folder is at the very top. So the last three that we have scanned, we're going to go ahead and move those first thing. So I'm going to select this, this, and this, and you can see it checks them with check marks. I'm going to click move. You have move, export, and delete. Let's go ahead and move, and it's going to give us the option to put it in the new folder that we created. These two are from earlier. If I want to delete something that I've scanned, then I can simply hit the trash can, hit delete. Let's do it again for this. Actually, let's show you what else you can do with a random one. When you slide your finger, you can either mail it, message it. There's no need for that really, but you can also star it, and you can see it puts a little star up there. If you want to unstar it, simply click that again. It removes it. If I want to edit what the URL is, then I can do that. I can change the name. I can also get more information about when it was scanned, the date, the time, the type of QR code that it was, and I can view the QR image if I need to. There's really not a need for any of this. Let's hit the back button. And let's go ahead and delete this also. So let's go to 10/30/13. It says there are 3 items in there. And let's say I wanted to rename this, then I could name it, let's see, the first one that I scanned, I believe it was for Greer, so I'll go ahead and just save that as cash and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and select this one, and at the very top it says check in, so let's go ahead and click check in. Alright, let's go back to the next one. And you can look at all of the forms right here. We're going to go ahead, let's just check in. Okay, so now that I'm checked in, I can go to the last one and click check in one more time. And so that is how you can check in day volunteers. You can check in overnight volunteers. It's a little bit different with overnight volunteers. You simply have to click the blue button that says complete check-in. It's very simple. I hope this video tutorial has helped you understand how the QR code reader works. If really the main things you need to know is if you want the scanner, you hit the camera button. If you want the history, you can just go here. And of course, if I go back, I can see all the different files. Add a file, move something, very, very easy. So I hope this has helped. Thank you very much.